My name is Tipi Somsatanga and Namugela with channel. And if you're a regular at T Squad, thank you so much for coming back by. And if you're new in this channel, welcome. Please subscribe to become a T Squad. So guys, today, first of all guys, I don't know what's going on in this vlog. It's kind of a messy, unplanned vlog. Guys, but what I know for sure, a day before yesterday, I went to church. It was Sunday, right? Good service. I enjoy listening attending guys. I love going to church. Good like when I'm in church, God, the feeling I have when I'm in church is incredible. And then I went to do an eye test and I went to renew my license. Guys, so there's no need for me to explain, but I renewed my license. I'm just joking. And now I'm doing an unboxing. I'm doing a Takealot unboxing, guys. I have 3 packages here. Yeah, there's a call, incoming call. Why are you calling me? What was I saying, guys? But there's a call that interrupted me, guys. Sorry, listen, guys. But I have 3 big ass packages. Guys, but to take a lot, if you have ordered before on Takealot, you know to take a lot of lamabogis. Hi, Bab. Hi, Mapogisa was a macul. Guys, wow. Let me do an unboxing. In front of the camera. Okay, the first package. Let me see. What's going on? What's going on? Here I have I bought shisha, guys. I bought a new shisha. Guys, I bought a new shisha. If you know what is shisha, but it's shisha. Let me try and open it. Okay. Hey guys, it's shisha. I'm not gonna unbox shisha on my channel. Unbox shisha, no, I can't. And then I bought a hair straightener. I bought a hair straightener, guys. I bought a hair straightener. I bought a hair straightener, guys. If you know, you know. With him, I install people, guys. I do installations. So I bought this hair straightener. See, she says it's very good, 220 degrees. Good for me. Good for my business. Good for me, good for my business. And then the second box. Yo. Guys, the tripod installation. I think as I'm investing on my business. Oh, as you all know, who's the festive? I need new things for my business. So that's why. Oh God. Ayo, ganti-ganti wan kasi kalau guys. Bentar. Nggak banget. Ayo. I hope the tripod, the stand is strong, guys. Wow, hindi phone drama, man. Ngathi kuyashoda futhi lana. No man, how do you use this? Oh, na into engiyifunayo, guys. Kushe ngaquleka. Na into yade ngiyifuna ingena la. Ngena la. Kalo uyihlanganisa, guys, ne? Ngoba angifuni drum. Ngifuna nje drum empilweni. Yeah. This again, installation, baby. I'll be plugging hair, baby. I'll be preparing your hair, baby. Joking. Guys, I'm so happy, guys. Yeah, I will ask guys if I'm investing on my business, like. I can invest in business lam or investing on something that I really like. And about investor to me that's rubbish. I don't like spending money and so yeah. That's it. That's that on bird. Let me pack here and fix my room.
Volando moscia la sole to shine pata mabucha afuna close ila la voce na voce ila la voce na voce uzometani maseke severe sugamba nomncane ngeni keleke nani wosisi ngini okay, Bella Nana getting better than 07 cut the kodwa ngithandela ukujabula so yabona ngizomosha kakhulu
I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I'm trying not to show how I feel about you. Because we away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheap beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you.
What's that?
Like content create, like vlog,
YouTube.
TikTok.
Don't do that. TikTok.
Vlog into Tanzania.
Good boy. Ngikhohliwe samkela.
Can you do that? And the winners of my design. And the case of
I gotta give a game proper. Spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention.
Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on?